Yes guys, I hope you all would have seen the previous clip. We had gone for a ride today, a short ride near my home place. Well, welcome back to Frank Vlogs. Happy to see you all once again. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe. Well, if you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch it. Post this video and give a like, comment and also share it guys. Just show some love. Well, and also if you wish to know more about my travel content and also to get a few reviews on travel related products, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. Yes guys, I hope you all would have seen the description. Today I'm going to talk about a dam, Dandiganahalli Dam, which is also a lake which is near Nandi Hills, and this place was suggested by a friend of mine, after which I and 3 of my friends had gone to this place, and it's such a beautiful place guys. Especially for solo riders, it's an amazing place. It's heaven. So yeah, that being said, let's talk about this place. Not much, there's nothing much to talk about this place, but then in a famous place like Nandi Hills in Bangalore, nearby this place is around 30 kilometers. You'll have to go further, Nandi Hills. So most of them are not aware of this place. So I was like, yeah, let's do a video about this, so that in future if you guys have a go to Nandi Hills for a morning ride or something, you can also do visit this place as well. So in this video I'll just be telling about the place, and also I'll be showing you a few pictures and videos that I had taken in that particular ride, and how the roads were and things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much. Let's get into the video guys. Quickly, let's get into the video. Yes.
Well guys, let's talk about this beautiful place. For those of you who have already checked off all the popular road trip destinations around Bangalore and are in search for a new undiscovered location, Dandiganali Dam is waiting, just like this. See the scenic beauty. Unknown to most, this pretty spot sits just around 90 minutes away from the city and is a must visit. It's not 90 minutes actually, it takes even more. Like if you leave early in the morning, yeah, it's close to 2 to 3 hours. It depends on the way you ride, and it's a must visit place. You'll have to make your way across the highway and then navigate a few villages and muddy roads to get to the small reservoir that's surrounded by rocky green hills. Follow Google Maps and it will bring you right to the banks of the serene waters. There's a long bridge that runs right into the waters, and you can reach its edge to take some spectacular pictures. You can take a lot of pictures over there. Wading the waters through is highly dangerous and not recommended at all. But still, people play there. I don't know. No one is there. Like there's hardly 2 to 3 people who looks after the place, and there are some guys who come for money, come for asking money, telling that they are planning to build a temple over there. Never believe those guys. Not sure whether it's true or not, but what I feel is not. It's not true, is what I feel. But still, if it's all about you, up to you, yeah. Dandiganiri Dam is perfect for a short outing. You can swing by and hone your photography skills. The place is also great for spotting colorful birds, and you can also trek around the nearby hills. However, you'll have to carry your own food and water since there's not much around here. If you're bringing a picnic basket and you don't litter, make sure that you don't litter, guys, because such a beautiful place, and most of them don't even know. So it's kind of an undiscovered location. Look at the place, it's very beautiful, right? And you don't litter since there's no one to clean up after you. So make sure that if you see any litter, it's better to clean it. Just there are garbages, is what I feel. I don't think so there are garbages, but then make sure that you don't litter. So this is the place. This is an excellent place near Bangalore. Must place for a weekend trip. If planning for a picnic, highly recommended place. Zero pollution and perfect nature vibes can be felt. Roads are the important concern. Almost 6 kilometer roads to the dam is very pathetic. And then there are some off-road tracks which takes us to the edge of other side of the dam. But be careful while taking your bike on those off-road tracks, because there are some loose sands which makes the bike stuck in middle. So what happens is there's no support to the both sides. So if you would have seen the video of the bike going, you would have got the idea. Yeah, but taking your bike till the edge will be a great view. Yes, guys, just look into the video, have fun. So on that day, like it was long back on the month of February, I guess. So we went to Nandi Hills, and then we went to this place after my friends suggested this. We went to this place and then we explored for a while. We sat, we chilled, and it was a good weekend. That was the last trip before this lockdown. Yeah, that was the last trip. I miss all those long rides. If you guys are missing the long rides, do comment in the comment box. Let's all go through this. The good times are yet to come, guys. Have faith.
Hey guys, I hope you all liked the previous video clips of Dandigannahalli Dam. It was a one-day trip with 3 of my friends, and the video clips, you would have enjoyed the video clips and the scenic. Hope next time post this lockdown, you people can go to that place, go visit Nandi Hills first, and then go to this place and enjoy your day. Let's hope for the best that all these lockdown gets over soon. Well, that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also to subscribe for more travel content like this. Thank you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video till now. Happy for you all. Love you all. Bye.